Today's Instagram shout out goes to CumminsKid07. If you guys want to have the chance to have your Instagram shout out, all you got to do is leave today's hashtag, which is hashtag turbo, and leave your Instagram down below. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widuch, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for today, so let's just get right into it. Currently, I'm just checking up on the TT's engine mounts because they've been a little bit loose. Every day before I drive this car, I torque all these bolts down to 74 foot-pounds, which I believe is the torque spec. If you guys enjoyed today's video at any point, make sure you smash that like button. Today's like goal is 500 likes. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI and follow my TikTok at alexwiduch6. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. So jumping right into today's video, these bolts keep coming loose. So last night before I went out and got my dinner at McDonald's, I did have a good meal. I went ahead and I took the jack and I tightened down all these bolts back down to 74 foot-pounds. I always have to keep up on them for my own safety of others on the road. I want to make sure my engine is always tight. So I've got to tighten up this coolant ball and reinstall the power steering pump. Everything's reinstalled, all tightened up. About to hop in this TT and go pick up some Starbucks. Much needed. I'm so excited. So let's head on over. 1:30 in the afternoon, I haven't had my coffee or lunch. I need my coffee. I used to hate the vibrations, but it's nothing better than driving a race car down the road. This car only makes about 300 horsepower, 300 torque, but when you feel the motor the whole way through the car, there's just something about it. Look at this mess. Those guys made me go all the way around. There was no line when I got here, and since I had to go all the way around, I'm like 10th in line. I'm big mad. Can I have a venti iced caramel latte?
Iced caramel latte, you got it. Anything else today?
Nope, that's it.
Alright, that's gonna be $5.38. Thank you.
Thank you. Getting ready as I leave, absolutely no traffic, but this coffee hits different. Day made. It literally tastes different every single time. It's never the same. Absolutely never. Got my girls over here directing traffic. They know what's up. See, one of the fun features about the TT is you can get it in the boost and then just stay like undetected, like no one even know you're coming. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but at this RPM, the whole entire car rattles. The amount of vibration could literally tear this car apart. It's awesome. Right now we're heading over to a place that's fairly significant and I'm really excited for it. It'll allow me to put more money into the channel, buy some more car parts. So right now we're heading on over to one of my old employers actually, and he owes me a paycheck from over a year ago that I neglected to give him hours for, and he so graciously isn't gonna be like, oh, it's so long, like what the heck. He's literally gonna pay me. So we're pulling up right now. I'm gonna go grab my paycheck. I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'm gonna go inside. Haven't seen him in over a year. Wish me luck. Scared. Ladies and gentlemen, the Eagle has landed. I got the paycheck. I'm super excited. I actually caught up with some old family friends, which was awesome. And I'm super excited about this. I'm literally gonna blow all this money tonight, maybe even tomorrow. I would love to see your suggestions down below in the comments, letting me know, hey Alex, you should maybe buy this. So maybe I won't blow this money right away, and I'll let you guys leave that down in the comments. But for now, I don't know why I decided to leave the location this way, but it's all speed bumps and potholes. Recently in this lake community, they got like natural gas or something like that. They completely ripped up the road, and they've got this strip going down the entire road, so I've got to stay off of it. Or honestly bottoms out on it sometimes. It's kind of scary. Just gonna say it, the Boxster is nothing on the TT. So funny story, I was actually gonna buy a Boxster about 2-3 years ago, and I bailed on it, but I wish I didn't. The thing had a body kit on it and stuff like that. The guy wanted like $6 grand, maybe a little much. I didn't expect these roads to be this bad. They're literally horrible. This crater, are you kidding me? I was worried about this one, but the purple car used to make it over, so maybe this one will. Oh. Okay, we made it. I went this way and I told myself, oh, it'll be some fun. We'll do it. No, it's all potholes. It's horrible. Funny story. There's no funny story. Remind me down in the comments, guys. Say, Alex, never go around the lake in a TT. Oh my God. The 1 second the camera's not on, I absolutely smashed the oil pan. It's a steel oil pan, so the only issues we will have is oil starvation if I crushed it enough, but oh my God. Another reason I should not have gone this way. The traffic is horrible. It's gonna take a couple minutes just to get out. I got this guy in front of me. I'm big mad right now. So funny story, I was actually coming down this hill the other day doing this, burbling away, and Patrick was at this quick check. My buddy Patrick's the one that had that white TT that was in the video, and everybody at the quick check was like, so every time I go past quick check now, I just go, I just let him know what's up. a school bus, you know, the kid in me wants the two-step, but at the same time, I don't think two-stepping behind a school bus is really the responsible thing to do. Because if I two-step behind a school bus, I might get hit with some other things, you know, someone might think it's something, and you know, although a theory I just came up with was, maybe the kids on the school bus know who Alex Widuch is, you know, I mean, I got the TikTok, we do like 15 million views a week on there. We gotta go. Like I was never there, baby. Now, put about a half-mile distance between me and the bus, you know, just for safekeeping. We caught up. I did not exceed the speed limit. I'm just gonna say it. We kept it under the speed limit. So how we made it, maybe the bus stopped or something. I'm just gonna say it. Kids are looking. They don't look scared. We're in the clear, boys. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I was just out of the stoplight and I was like, this truck is not moving fast enough. Let me two-step. And I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna two-step. Right as he moves, a police officer is just sitting on the opposite side of the road. Would have ruined my day. Would have ruined my day, his day, your day. Content would have stopped. So no two-steps, no police. And since our adventure continues, let's hit our favorite railroad tracks. Oh my! Woo! I just smacked the subframe so hard, but this subframe is section inflated, so no big deal. Never film and drive. I just smacked the windshield wipers and you guys saw them moving. Well, I crashed pulling in. Hit the house. Big J is not gonna be happy about this one. Think about looking at TT, let's check out the damage. Hey, the TT comes out on top, baby, you unstoppable. The tire went off the driveway and then the wheel was just sitting on the lip. Like, I legit just wiped the aluminum off of here. T literally just gets ruined on every single day. Like, I just beat on this thing and I can't even care. It's a content car. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's so funny, like literally right as I get paid, I literally almost destroy a wheel and then I also break a piece on the house. Those are like 40 bucks. It's so stupid. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I remember when I used to mow lawns, I used to break like the septic tank pipes all the time. I guess I should have looked at the price, but my boss used to always deduct a couple dollars out. It wasn't 40 bucks, but I know it was quite a bit and he always used to get kind of mad about it. Now that I'm home safe, I'm gonna go upstairs, make some steak for lunch, you know, gotta grub down. Also look for some car parts for this thing. Leave some suggestions down below what kind of car parts you guys wanna see on the TT. So right now I'm super stoked. We're heading out, we're going to see some friends. We're gonna go do some fun activities. Bike fit perfectly with the top up. Looks good. All right guys, so I just pulled up and the first thing Kevin requested me to do was two-steps. So obviously a two-step, now my head hurts, but Kevin's tying his shoes. They look good, bud. Thanks. Kevin, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous you have the hatchback. I'm over here with this window open. What happens if it rains, you know? I'm kind of screwed.
You and years, bro, how are you?
A little surprise attack my boy Leonard. Leonard, let's hear this thing.
Oh man,
this man's. Oh, dude. Oh, damn it. Boy, Jesus. Oh! Let's go! Yes! Did not give up. I'm super stoked that I landed that. I'm gonna give Kevin the reins now. Kevin's gonna bust out some tricks, so let's see it. We're going to another location, but I got the bike all packed up. Kevin's piecing out in his Subaru. Yo, give us a rev, Kevin. Woo!
Put a rev, Alex.
That's Joey's house. Ralphie! What's going on? Guys, big hype. Joey just got me some fortune cookies. Hey guys, I just got home. It's kind of nippy outside. Just closed up the garage, and that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you throw a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you were smiling, and I was having a great time today. It was great seeing a lot of people riding my bike. It was awesome. So leave your comments down below. Any video suggestions would be greatly appreciated. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but don't forget, the only way to put you down, your vehicle is unique to you, and remember to keep smiling. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.